A low credit score isn't a grade on your life. It's a hole in your pocket where your potential is leaking out. But here's the truth. Technology has changed the game. No more manual tracking, it's time to stop the leak with automation. Every credit hero starts at zero. Let's build your future, one point at a time. Welcome to Wealth Tech Simple, where we make personal finance and investing crystal clear. Subscribe and start building your future today. Imagine walking into a room and having a giant neon number glowing over your head that tells everyone exactly how much they can trust you. That's not a Black Mirror episode, that's your life every time you apply for an apartment, a phone, or a car. This number is your trust grade, a 3-digit score between 300 and 850. 300 is the danger zone, where everything you buy comes with a hidden low score tax and high interest, but 850. That's hero status, where the world gives you the best rates. Forget manual tracking and bank statements. Link your bank to an AI credit monitoring app to see your true number instantly through an encrypted sync. Download a reputable credit checking app today and find your starting number. Understanding this score is a tool, not a judgment. Every credit hero starts at zero. Let's build yours. The needle on your credit score doesn't move by magic, it moves by math. Behind that 3-digit number are 5 secrets that lenders use to judge your reliability. First, the giants. 35% is your payment history. Simply put, did you keep your word? 30% is utilization. Are you maxed out? Keep it under 25% to stay in the green. Then come the pillars. 15% is age. How long has the system known you? 10% is your mix, and the final 10 is new credit. Forget manual math, use open banking aggregators to visualize these percentages in a colorful dashboard instantly. Check your app's factors tab right now to find your boss fight, the one factor holding you back the most. Map your progress and take control. Every credit hero starts at zero. Let's build yours together. You could be doing everything right and still lose 100 points today. Closing an old card or applying for too many deals at once is like throwing water on your financial fire. Killing your history makes you look like a stranger to lenders, and a swarm of applications makes you look desperate. Even if you pay it off, a maxed out snapshot can catch you at the wrong time. But here is the fix. Technology is your shield. Turn on smart notification filters in your bank app right now. Go into your phone settings this second and enable balance alert push notifications for 25% of your limit. Stop the leaks in your score before they start. Every credit hero starts at zero. Let's build yours and raise your credit score fast. Starting with no credit feels like being locked out of the financial world. You need credit to get credit, but how do you start? Imagine a digital lock in a dark void. Without history, every door is closed. This is the catch-22 of the credit world. Enter secured cards. Think of them as golden cogs, fixing that lock and opening your first doors to financial freedom. Want a shortcut? Try piggybacking. By becoming an authorized user on a high-score account, you borrow their glowing credit reputation. Even your Netflix and phone bills can help. Transform your monthly payments into pulses of data that feed your central score meter. Now that you've started, let's talk about boosting that score by 50 points or more using smart technology and simple hacks. Look at this score meter stuck in the red. An AI scanner can sweep for errors, turning red dots into green corrections instantly. The double payment hack is a game changer. 2 small payments beat 1 large one, making your score jump significantly. Technology does the heavy lifting on your smartphone. AI dispute tools scan and send corrections with just one satisfying click. Don't forget your utilities. Toggle the report to bureau switch to on and watch your everyday bills work for you. The momentum builds. Your score breaks through the glass barrier, finally reaching the hero zone. You've gone from zero to hero. Every credit hero starts at zero. With Wealth Tech Simple, your journey to a perfect score begins today. Let's build your future. Is your credit card a wealth builder or a debt trap? Today, we're turning the tables and using the system to your advantage. Credit has a dual identity, a golden reward side and a red debt side. The key is staying on the right side of the line. By utilizing the interest-free float, you use the bank's money while collecting points, cashback, and travel perks for absolutely free. But don't get caught. That 20% interest is a dark abyss that will aggressively erode your hard-earned savings if you aren't careful. The solution? Automation. Use a cash sweeper strategy to move money from your checking account into a dedicated bill pay vault instantly. Simply set your account to auto-pay full statement balance. This single toggle ensures you are always the hero in your financial story. Master your tools, build your wealth, and remember, every credit hero starts at zero. Start your journey with us today. Welcome to your transformation. In just 30 days, we are going to take you from financial uncertainty to a hero's success. Let's start the blueprint. Week 1 is the digital cleanup. We activate high-tech alerts and real-time monitoring to capture every detail of your financial profile instantly. Moving into Week 2, we crush your utilization. Watch your score breathe as high interest weights are lifted and digital coins fill your credit slots. Our subscription canceling AI goes to work now. It scans your bank feeds, identifies wasted money, and redirects those funds directly toward your balance. Now that the foundation is clean, we move into the hunting phase. We're looking for errors and locking in your permanent stability. Week 3 is all about the details. A digital magnifying glass scans your credit report. When it finds an error, a blue flash clears it forever. Finally, Week 4 brings automation. We flip the auto-pay toggle to on. Your financial life is now a self-sustaining machine of growth, ready to begin. One tap on your dashboard activates the Day 1 setup. Your 30-day journey starts the moment you press this button. But does it work? Meet Sarah. She felt trapped in a gray void of debt with a credit score of only 400. She followed the blueprint. As she applied the AI tools, the void brightened. Her score didn't just move. It soared to a brilliant 750. Success isn't luck. It's a system. Sarah just received her official approval for a new home. This is the power of the hero mindset. You are next. Whether you're recovering from debt or starting fresh in a new country, financial freedom is a skill you can master. Take a moment, define your hero goal. Is it your first home? A debt-free life? Type it out and make it real. Every credit hero starts at zero. Start your blueprint with Wealth Tech Simple today and build the future you deserve. Thank you so much for watching. Click here to keep learning and leveling up. Don't forget to subscribe to join our community. Let's build your financial freedom together.